Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so we had the famous posts this week about Microsoft Office not receiving any updates after the Windows 10 end of support, which means, you got to move to Windows 11 if you want that. And we also learned something is that the upgrade process that they're talking about, the upgrade process to Windows 11 free of charge from Windows 10, was to be a limited time offer that we don't know because there's no clear indication. Once again, when we talk about how Microsoft just doesn't know how to communicate, nothing is clear. Nothing is absolutely, okay, that's what they mean and that's what they say. No, nothing is freaking clear at all. But they had kind of mentioned in the title of the blog post that the free upgrade process to Windows 11 from Windows 10 was a limited time offer. Now that blog post has disappeared from the Microsoft website, which kind of tells us maybe Microsoft doesn't want to limit that. I don't know. We don't know, since they're not saying anything and nobody's answering back to anyone. Once again, how can you be such a big company, have such an important, service and products as Windows and so on, and just not be able to communicate anything with anyone? And we just don't know anything ever. And so I don't know. There really needs to be some guy there that's going to stand up and say, okay, here's what's going to happen. The worst part is, even when there's someone there that could tell us something, he's kind of not allowed to say anything, which I don't understand why, because it's so dumb that there's no secret in what's happening with Windows. Just, say it. Just tell us. So is Microsoft just not sure anymore? Or is just Microsoft not really going to change that? Is Microsoft bluffing? What is it? Microsoft, wake up. You got to talk. You're not talking. And you think after that, oh, well, people don't trust us. Yeah. Wake up. Need to talk to someone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.